Now we're going to solder these jumper wires to this motor, and we're going to do it such that they lie down across the motor like this when the solder is dry. So you can take this pin and bend it over something and work it a bit and shape it to get it into a hook like this. And once you've done that, you can hook the tab. Let's see if I can do that with the light. Hook the tab and then pull it in the direction you want it to end up, which is down this way. And I'm bending the tab up a little so it's slightly further away from the motor. And now comes the difficult part. I will take the solder and the soldering iron, which is hot, and I will apply the solder to that point. And the trick is to heat up the thing that you want the solder to stick to, not to melt the solder and expect it to stick to something of your choosing. So for instance, I'm heating up the pin and the tab, and the solder will stick to it as a result of it being super hot. And that is how you solder a wire to the motor. And when you're once you've done that, you can repeat that a few more times and get 2 motors. And I suggest getting the longest jumper wires you can and 4 different colors so you can tell both sides of each motor and both motors apart from each other, because when you mount this on the robot, you're just going to see these 2 wires, and it's not going to be clear which one's which. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.